Yeah, and we have to put that rock on there.
Really?
Yeah, Papa, look. That rock has to go on here. And I think it will fit. I want this rock there on here. I don't know.
Stand next to it, please.
No, it's gonna wobble.
Not too close. Just get a bit closer.
No, it's gonna fall.
Why don't you get you beside it? It
No!
won't fall right now. Okay, I'm gonna go to the other side. What do you think? And I like the dodginess of it. Can we see how dodgy it really is? Can you see that there's no space there?
Let's put another one.
Skinny hands.
But let's put another.
Quite big.
Let's put another one.
Let's not.
Yes, let's put. Oh no, let's put. Oh no, look.
Talk to the sandwich mountain, mate.
Papa, okay. Follow me. No, I will. Throw it down the mountain.
Are you gonna carry that back to your bedroom?
Uh,
That would make an awesome Christmas tree.
yeah, it would. Like just standing it up like
yeah,
that.
You could stick stuff out of all the holes.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Just leave it, mate.
Okay, I'll leave it where it will stand up like this. I will wait.
How are you gonna stand it up like that?
Like that, with rocks.
Happy?
Yeah.
Happy.
Yeah, Papa, imagine if you just got a light and then burn. How long will it take for that to burn?
How long is a piece of string?
This long. It can be anything long.
That's exactly the answer. Can be anything long. Do you know what infinity means?
What? I mean, it keeps going.
Keeps going for how
Yeah.
long?
For a long time, forever.
Forever, yeah. Forever's a
Okay.
long time.
This is just a lovely walk off the mountain. Papa, this is the way we came. Yes. Just follow me. But look at these roots. Have a look at this. There's a root going. What?
That's the way we came.
Have a look at these roots, Bob. It's going up into that tree.
Trying to get all the moisture out of the soil.
Yes.
It's windy.
I know. We're going this way.
Scary.
Yeah, it looks scary.
What are these rocks?
Oh, now the wind's gone. No, the wind was just gone, and now the wind's back. Yeah, it's gusty. No, we didn't go here.
You sure?
Maybe. Oh yeah, we went here. There's a different cave I want to go in.
Oh, this is so dodgy. Oi!
Look at that. You didn't go in that.
Oh my goodness.
Pretty long down.
That was epic.
If that was there, it would fall the whole
That would
entire
kill
way.
someone.
This is a super cool rock here. Oh no, this piece. It's connected.
Yeah.
This. However, I don't know how you can make this.
How?
You could if you just got concrete and got so many type of rocks,
Yep.
and then just mix them all together. That's how you would make it. Mama would say this is dodgy. I'm just trying to get it down. Ow. This seems pretty dangerous. Oh. Oh no. Ow. Unless if you broke it. Hurry up! Ow. You said hurry up. Oh. You don't know what it feels like. Yeah. It would be easier than this.
Keep falling over.
Oh, that's why I need a stick. Yeah, because yes, here it's easier. Looks.
Good boy.
Oh, it's not the same cave.
No, the next cave around.
I still want to see inside. It could definitely fit the tent in here. It's super cool. It's perfect.
Really nice cave.
This is perfect for the tent.
Yes.
Huh.
A bit of sweeping.
Yeah, a bit of sweeping.
Yep.
Oh, well, look. Look.
Yep.
It's all... Where is it? It's just a massive drop.
Go straight up to that's the cave there, is it?
Oh, this one would be perfect for the tent too.
Huh. Oh, that's even better. Taller.
Yeah. Oh, but it's not flat.
No, it's not flat.
That's the only thing.
You'd have to do a lot of work to make it flat.
Yeah. Oh. So the other one's better.
I think the other one. This is nice. This is a nice cave. So we didn't come the same way. Anyway.
Yeah, Papa. You know that cave? It was flat.
Yeah.
That cave was flat. Let's check out this cave.
You really want?
Oh, it's perfect. Look, Papa, it's perfect.
All the white stuff on the ground. It's like animal bones.
It is.
Yeah, something's been living up here for sure.
Oh, here's the thing Mama found.
Oh yeah.
This is weird. Papa, look at this bone.
Yeah.
This is weird.
Get this off too. Is that the monster cactus down there?
Where? Which one's the
I
cactus?
don't think it is. This is annoying me now.
What is the sticks?
Well, yeah, the stick is.
Yeah. This.
We'll just leave the stick there.
Yeah.
Okay, but also,
And the camera.
yeah, the camera, but maybe we're going to have to be careful. Maybe we're going to have to go back up
Back
and
up.
across.
Oh.
Yeah, because it's quite a bit further around. If we get, how about I get you up this section?
Now which way?
Well,
Oh.
maybe we'll go out to here and up.
Okay. I think this is made even the holes.
Might be erosion, mate. The rocks fall out, the big rocks fall out, and then
Then
it
it's
just
all.
get weathered. It's like honeycomb, isn't it?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
And these are good seeds. They're strong.
Mm.
Where's it going? There's just a few cracks.
Look, we can see base camp 1 from here.
We can.
We can. I'll try and zoom in.
Oh yeah. Base camp 1.
Base camp 1.
Are you sure that's not the other person sleeping there?
No, that's our stuff. Okay.
This doesn't look like our cave.
Okay.
I'm not in. I'm in.
You're in.
I'm in. Out my shoe.
Okay.
Why is there different colors of this type of
I'm
rock?
not sure.
Like
Does
this.
that feel safe?
Kind
That
of.
needs breaking off, that piece there, Joseph.
I can't get off.
See this piece?
Yeah. I can't get up. It's too hard.
Okay, I'll come up to you.
Now I have to get down.
No, we're almost at the top, mate.
Oh.
It's okay. No, wait for me, mate. Just rest your bum against this rock.
But it's dangerous.
Yeah, just stay there, okay?
But it's harder for
Okay, I'm
me.
going to put this camera away for a sec. I'll get up there. That was definitely the hardest part.
Is that the massive cave? Which big green tree?
There's a really green
Oh yeah, that really green.
tree there.
All of those caves are cool.
I've been wanting to see that one anyway, so...
You did?
Remember?
Yeah.
You going to be okay going down there?
Baba, this looks like the same as the other one. There was a plant and then there was a drop.
That's right.
Yeah. That's why we put it all the same way.
Yeah, and then the plant must grow there because all the dirt collects there and the moisture. Yeah, just come around and face the rock when you're in a section like that. You're doing so well. Like, I know you're getting tired, but you are doing really, really well, mate. Base Camp 1 is here.
I mean, two.
Okay.
And my legs still.
You've done a really good job. You can do it. Just pay attention.
My lord.
You're about to have a drink of water. Whoa!
I wish we could stay here another night.
We'll come back, mate. Here we go. Hey, there's not heaps of water, but you have some. There you go.
Remember, we had a massive drink.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty cold.